What's up guys, welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Victor and I'm creating videos about making money online and how to generate wealth and become financially independent. So if you're interested in topics like that, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell to see every time when I upload. Now let's start with the video. How much money PewDiePie makes on YouTube? We're going to check that from a website called Social Blade, and you can see the analytics on each YouTube channel from here. So we're going to type PewDiePie here on the search. We're going to see how much views he gets and how much money he gets from these views. Before that, I just want to mention that how much money he makes is only his deal, and we should not be concerned about that. I'm making this video with educational purpose. I want to show you the opportunities of making money online and specifically on YouTube. In this video we're going to see how much money he makes from the ad revenue. You need to consider that YouTubers, big YouTubers, are making a lot more money than that. They're generating income from sponsorship deals, from affiliate marketing, they're selling merch, and generally they have at least 4 or 5 income streams from YouTube. Right now we are going to see only the ad revenue of his channel. In order to do that, we need to see the views that he's getting. So we see in the Social Blade that his channel has 102 million subscribers, 24 billion views on his channel, which is amazing. And we are not going to see these estimated monthly earnings or estimated yearly earnings from the Social Blade. Because the gap is really huge between $68,000 and 1 million. It's a huge gap. I'm going to show you how we are going to calculate the ad revenue, his ad revenue. We are going to scroll down and see the average views he's getting per day. And you see 11 million views, 8, 9, 10 million views per day. And the average is 9,001,000 views per day. And if we pull up the calculator, we can calculate how much money these views are getting per day. Before we calculate this amount, you need to understand what is CPM. CPM basically means how much money YouTube will pay you for 1,000 views. The CPM for different channels or on YouTube is different. So for example, if you have a channel and you're talking about coding, specifically about coding, advertisers are usually going to pay a higher amount because they know that your public, your audience is interested in these specific things. If you have a financial channel, for example, like mine, advertisers that are advertising a financial product are going to spend more money to advertise on my channel. If your channel is really broad and you're talking for all kinds of things, usually your CPM will be lower. The average CPM on YouTube is $3. So that means that YouTube pays you $3 per 1,000 views on your channel. And if we take this 9 million views that he's getting per day on his channel, so $9,108,000, and if we divide that by 1,000 and multiply by 3, because 3 is the average CPM, he's getting $27,000 per day, $27,300 per day only from ad revenue. And this is just an estimate number because we don't know exactly his CPM, and we don't know how much people have an ad block on their browser, so it could be more and could be less, of course. But this is, I'm pretty sure that somewhere around this number from ad revenue. This is per day, and if we multiply that by 30, we will see how much money he makes per month. So he's making $800,000 per month, and if we multiply that by 12, we will see how much money he makes per year, which is almost $10 million. almost $10 million per year only from his ad revenue. For sure he's making a lot more money from sponsorship deals, from selling merch on his channel, from affiliate marketing, and all kinds of different businesses related to his YouTube channel, which is his main business. One more time, this should not be our concern how much money he makes. That's his stuff, his deal. I just want to show you the opportunities and to inspire you to go for it, to create your YouTube channel, to try to build your audience. It will not be quick, but for sure, I'm absolutely sure that you can do it. You can see that he started his channel in 2010. Right now is 2019, so it took him 9 years to build this channel. So if you start, just don't give up after 1 month. Continue to upload and continue to improve, and you will be successful. And he has 4,000 videos uploaded on his channel, so don't expect that you're going to upload 5 videos and you will be successful. He's uploading daily, and that's why he has such a success. Also, he has a great content. I think he absolutely deserves this money because he's donating a lot of this money to charities. So I think it's a great thing to do. And also, if you are familiar with his channel, you will see that he's not doing it for the money. He enjoys it. With these kinds of money, he can retire any day, but he continues to upload each day. He's uploading videos daily, so looks like he loves what he does, and a person like that who loves what he does, I think should, and he's working really hard, should have these kinds of results and these kinds of money. So that's it, guys. That's how much money you can make on YouTube if you devote the necessary time and you work hard. I hope that video was a little bit inspiring for you. That was the main purpose, to educate you, to entertain you, and inspire you to go for your dreams and to try to build your business. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below in the comments what is your channel, what are you creating videos about, let me know. And also subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to see every time when I upload. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.